we are on the hunt for the ultimate $1 bánh mì here in Saigon, Vietnam. And I've located an area in Quận 4, I believe, where it is an insane looking bánh mì. Firstly, we have to navigate our way through all of this traffic. I believe she's right here. Okay. Ăn bánh mì ở đây qua chưa? Chưa hả? Wow, thấy ngon à? Ok. Cảm ơn anh nhiều. Okay. Guys, we are here at Bánh Mì Sượng Sinh Cải Chua, I believe. Chào cô. Chào đi. Khỏe không? Khỏe không cô? Yeah. Wow. It smells amazing. I think they are just setting it up now. Yeah. Cô nói tiếng Việt? Yeah, yeah. Nói tiếng Anh được không? How are you? You are good?
I'm good.
You are very good? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Your English is good, huh? So guys, this is bánh mì. Yeah, chỗ hả? What is the name? Bánh mì Mắm Hường. Cảm Hường. Bánh mì Cảm Hường. Okay. That's the old name, guys. I'll put this in the link in the description. But wow, this looks incredible here, huh? So we are here for the ultimate $1 bánh mì, guys. Look at the rolls here. Look how thick they are. There's a variety of cuts as we'll go through now. Looks like it's intestines, some meatballs. Xíu mại hả cô? Xíu mại. Bò lá lốt.
Xíu mại, bò lá lốt, bò nướng, beef bò.
Beef ball. Yeah, yeah. This is
Phá lấu, lòng heo.
phá lấu. Ah, yes. Okay. And then this is the bò lá lốt. Everything is big here, huh? Cái gì ở đây cũng bự ha.
Bánh mì bự vậy mà.
Bánh mì cũng bự luôn. Wow, bự hơn đầu chị luôn á. So guys, this is the bò lá lốt, which is a betel leaf, yeah? Betel leaf, which is heo á, thịt heo, thịt bò, which is beef inside. Cái này là thịt heo. Wow. It smells amazing here. They've got the soy sauce, the garlic, seasonings, and this is cái này gà hả? Bên này. Thịt heo con. Lean meat. Okay. Wow. Guys, this looks incredible here. We're literally just in sort of an alleyway here. We've got the aunties and grandmas sitting in there. We've got people setting up restaurants as well. But we're here for this. Look at this contraption. They put a couple bricks up on this grill, which looks amazing. Bánh mì nổi tiếng nhất bánh mì loại gì ở đây?
Là bánh mì sườn.
Bánh mì sườn hả?
Sườn.
Ok, con xương sủng. Lấy một ổ bánh mì xương sủng. Mở cửa chưa? Con làm mới mở hả? Mới mở cửa hả?
Mở lúc 3 giờ.
3 giờ. 3 giờ tới mấy giờ? Xong.
Tới 11 giờ.
Tới 11 giờ hả? Ok. Guys, we have the lovely auntie here. They're actually all setting up as well. We have a lot of vegetables, a lot of cucumbers as well. Yes, it is actually around about 4 p.m. now. Bánh mì normally is eaten generally for breakfast, I'd say. You can eat a bánh mì, you can dip it in stews and whatnot, but here they actually open up in the evening. So it's a little bit of a twist. A little bit of a twist. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing. I can smell a bit of fish sauce on it as well. Này
Sốt gia vị.
Ok. Tiếng Anh biết gì không?
Nó là sốt nhưng mà không biết là.
Không biết.
Hầm từ xương ra.
Tương hả?
Hầm từ xương.
Hầm xương hả? Ok. Cái này làm ở nhà luôn hả?
Dạ, làm ở nhà luôn.
Oh wow.
Này giống người Tàu vậy à?
Con đó hả? Con nửa người Tàu, nửa người Việt.
Người Tàu ở đâu ạ? Ở Chợ Lớn hả?
Con không biết nữa. Mẹ con sinh ở Sài Gòn mà ba mẹ con giờ hồi xưa ở hồi xưa người Tàu và bây giờ ở Việt Nam con à.
Đây người Tàu à?
Vậy hả?
Gốc
Con
Tàu.
cũng người Tàu á?
Gốc Tàu mà không biết nói tiếng Tàu, gốc Tàu luôn.
Con không biết nói tiếng Tàu luôn. Xin lỗi. Không sao. Guys, the hospitality here is amazing. Whilst she is serving the lady, take another look at this meat, guys. There's basically an entire pig on this. But they've used certain cuts, certain lean cuts. They just chucked it all on. Right, look at that, it's getting crispy. They've got one takeaway here, which is the pork. And then this is gai chua as well. I think this is a specialty here. Which Auntie's gonna put it in now. Look at that.
Vừa quay đâu, quay đâu.
Yeah. Look at that sauce. Amazing.
Sốt,
Nice.
tương,
Big
tương.
tương, huh?
Tương.
So it's got garlic, chilies, a little bit in there. Then the gaichu in there. The clouds are not looking too friendly today either. It is beginning to slowly rain. They're sort of just setting up, putting up the lights now as well. So I've just grabbed the seats whilst they prepare the food. Look at this. This is the pork marinating in the fish sauce, garlic, and maybe chili. I'm not too sure, but that's probably kilos and kilos. Auntie is actually finished her shift. I guess she just works for an hour to set up. She said bye-bye. Alrighty guys, we have our bánh mì. Wow. Cái này làm ở đây luôn hả? Mua bánh mì này.
Dạ đúng rồi.
Mua hả? Oh, okay. It's actually huge, guys. It's massive. She's cut it open, cucumber, and the gaichu. Very nice. Look at that. Wow, here is the masterpiece. Oh, it's got the cartilage as well. Có xương luôn ha. Wow, không thử. Oh, let's watch her. She weighs it out and everything. Phải đúng 100 gram hả? 100 grams. Okay.
Thêm.
Thêm hả? Come on. Let's say this. Oh, ngon quá. Wow, ngon hả? That's amazing. Got the Vietnamese coriander, spring onions.
Ăn ớt không ạ?
Cay không?
Cay.
Chút xíu thôi.
Xíu này.
Yeah. Wow. And the sauce, guys. That tương, nice and rich. Wow, amazing. Đẹp quá, đẹp quá. Come on. Alright guys, I've literally set up right here next to the meats because it's starting to rain quite a bit now. Alright, come on. Alright, check this massive bánh mì out though. Wow, it's crispy, decent amount of meat, decent amount of coriander. Alright, the first bite is always just bread. Gotta get to the meat of it. Wow, the sauce is amazing. Slightly sweet, savory. I don't know if the sauce is spicy or it's the chili, but it's a magical combination. The gaichu adds like a sour taste. So you're getting the entire flavor palette has been hit, and it's crunchy as well. It is raining, guys. Umbrellas are out. Check this out. This little system, the fan, they push all the smoke away. Look at all the bánh mì. And then just a super small shop in there. The meat is genuinely the best thing about it. Covered in that sauce. Wow. And you see the cartilage with crunchy as well. What did you have a bánh mì with the show? We have the mum, that's the owner I believe. That's the daughter. Getting busy as well. Nice little lady, huh? Chat to her after this delicious bánh mì. Guys, look at the sauce. It's dripped all the way to this packet. I didn't realize how saucy it is, but it drips to the bottom. Abundance of sweet, savory flavor. Guys, bánh mì done. Cô khỏe không? Bữa nay khỏe? Cô giờ chủ ở đây hả?
Đúng rồi.
Ok. Nè, cô bán ở đây mấy năm rồi?
Bán đây hả?
Cô bán bánh mì á? Đâu rồi hả?
Trên 40 năm.
Trên 40 năm hả? Wow. Okay. Over 40 years, guys. Mới ăn bánh mì thịt heo ngon. Có bán bò lá lốt riêng không?
Đó.
Dạ, ok. Một ổ bánh mì hồi nãy bao nhiêu?
35.
35 hả? Ok. Em lấy bò lá lốt ăn luôn nha. Guys, 35,000 for that delicious bánh mì. We're also going to get some bololo to eat as well. Oh, come on. She's amazing. She's like on point with the customer service. This is the great thing about Vietnam. Literally everything's a drive-through. That's all. We've got auntie toasting the bololo, bánh mì right there.
Cái lá lớp luôn.
Wow.
Này nè. Ông anh ăn lá lớp không?
Không sao, ăn bánh mì lại đi. Cô làm rồi, cô ăn luôn, không sao. I was gonna eat that by itself, but she's already made it, so we'll go ahead and eat this. Ăn cho nó no bữa nay. Ooh. So it's the same fillings as before. Wow, đẹp quá. Look how big they are, juicy. Okay, đẹp quá cô. Chụp hết nó. Cảm ơn nó. Đẹp quá. Cô đẹp quá. Alrighty, nice, toasted. Look at this. Đây là nhà hả Sương?
Nhà mình, nhưng mà giống cái cây ớt vậy đó.
Đây bán đồ ăn rồi.
Đúng rồi, không có ở.
Thì cô cũng ở gần đây hả? Đi bộ tới đây. Dưới đó hả?
Nhà của mình luôn, không có muốn.
Okay. Very nice. So she rents, or she owns this place, and her house is down there, and they just cook out of there. Okay. Ăn được không? Wow. Look at that drip. They do a special. Oh my gosh! Look at the fire, guys. The fire is getting crazy. So she's making a specialty here. With the meat, and of course, Auntie weighs it out as well. They don't use pate here in butter, which is what you'd normally see in a bánh mì or a baguette, whereas they have their own special twist here. I think this is about just under a foot long, which is wild. But look, she's making a mixture as well. It's balolo and the pork. Okay, this is the special.
Cái này 50.
Cái này 50 hả? Ổ này 35. Ok.
50.
Đẹp quá. Cảm ơn cô. Let's let them work. Let's let them work. So hospitable though. Super kind. So when you think of street food in Vietnam, bánh mì is probably the top 2 that come to mind. And for damn good reason. Look at the smoke on me. Alright, second bánh mì I guess. Check out one of these. Beef wrapped in this leaf. I'm gonna try it by itself. The meat is like minced pounded meat, so it's sort of just, you bite right through it. It's super soft. And with the leaf, it keeps all that juice and that fatty of the beef in there. So it's just so much flavor. And then the bánh mì is very similar with that sauce before. Slightly spicy with the chilies, savory, slightly sweet as well. And then the gaichu is sort of sour as well. The first bánh mì is definitely the best seller. It's more of a meaty substance, so you're biting, you're chewing. Whereas this is everything's a bit more soft. It's sort of easier to eat, if you will. But the other one is like it's got a bit of substance, a bit of character. This is delicious though. Xưa cô có bán cái gì khác không, ngoài bán bánh mì không?
Xưa là
Bánh mì. Cơm hả? Ok. Dạ.
Xong mẹ chết là không có làm nổi nữa, bán thời gian làm nổi rồi bán cái này lại không có bán cái đồ mà kia về.
Dạ. Bán bánh mì dễ hơn. Bây giờ, dạ. Ngon hơn. Bò hả? Bò viên hả?
Đúng rồi, bự không?
Bự đó nữa.
Bò viên.
Gần ký không?
Cái này còn mấy trăm ngàn.
Rồi hả?
200, gần 200.
200 hả? Mỗi sáng làm hả?
Sáng làm chiều bán.
Sáng làm chiều bán. Okay. So guys, they have a phở lẩu, which is thịt heo phải không?
Đúng rồi, nhồi đó.
Yeah, they have heo phở lẩu here, which is something very unique.
Có dồi nữa.
Có dồi nữa. Okay, come on. So it's like pig, the stuff that the Westerners don't eat. Look at this. Ngon. Cô nấu làm sao?
Bí quyết.
Secret. Ok.
Không có chị.
Không có nói được. Ngon.
Đường nào ai dưới thì bạn với chị.
Vậy hả? Ok. This is really nice. Ở bên Úc hả? Chưa có tiền. Nhưng mà muốn có đủ tiền em mệt lại đây.
Đủ tiền rồi về đây.
Không sao. Guys, this is it. Amazing. No quá cô, ngon quá, ngon nữa. Ở trên tổng cộng 70 ngàn á.
70.
Ok. Mỗi ổ 35 ngàn. Yeah, cũng dễ. Yeah. Bự, ngon mà rẻ nữa. Vậy cảm ơn nhiều. Không sao. It is actually pissing down right now. I've called my Grab. They're on the way, but I want to say this place, incredible. Come down, check it out if you're in Saigon. but this is the lovely auntie. Chào cô. Okay. And then the other lady as well.
Ở trên em anh
Yeah. Cảm ơn nha. Bye bye. Hi guys. I'm off. Catch you on the next one.